Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to create Discord account on mobile. To start, open your Discord application in your mobile device. Then in here, tap on the button that says register. Over here, you can choose whether you want to use phone or email. Now go ahead, choose which one. For this tutorial, we are going to be using our email. Then once done, click on next. Then in here, you're going to choose a username for your Discord. Once done with the username, input your password this time. Make sure you're the only one who knows it. Once done with the username and the password, click on the button that says next. And then in here, you will enter your birthday. Enter your birthday and then tap on the button that says create an account. After clicking create your account, your Discord account will now be created. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.